So we're just here with the new DEKS repair clay. So brand new, exclusive look. So you get two for the price of one, and it's suitable for plastic, fiberglass, metal and ceramics. So it's basically any splits, breaks, holes in pipes, you can use this. It's no need to mix it with anything. It's just a single clay. So what you do is grab a little bit on the finger there. Just make sure your area is dry and clean as possible. They do have a wet version, but for this one we're just going to use a basic one for PVC. So over the break there, after about 10 minutes it'll begin to harden, and then it'll be fully hardened by 60 minutes, and then within 24 hours it'll be fully cured, which is the maximum strength.